How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. I got another Technic set today for you, and it's a very challenging one, to be honest with you. I've built it once before, and I had some difficulties with it, so hopefully I can have those ironed out this time. But it's LEGO Technic 42158, the NASA Mars Rover Perseverance. It's a tricky one, but I hope you enjoy it as always. So here we go. folks, check it out, our Mars Rover Perseverance. It's a goofy looking build, isn't it? Honestly, it is a very decent, hard degree of difficulty. I was getting a little bit frustrated doing this, but the wheels do level out. You know, it just looks a little goofy when you lift it up. They look uneven, but they do level out. There's plenty of gears and controls and a lot of stuff that, quite frankly, I'm terrified I'm going to break the thing if I even try even hit a lever. So I'm just going to leave it at that. But it is a fun Technic set when you really focus and get down to it. And if you like, you know, the NASA sets and the space theme, well, you know, give it a shot. You might like it. And it's a cool display piece at that. So, but I'm done with this one. But I'm hoping you enjoyed it. And if you did, check out the rest of my channel. I got some videos you might like on there. And feel free to subscribe. But until next video, I will see you around.